BBQ Today we're cooking up some huevos rancheros at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some pico de gallo, you're going to need some bacon, some ground beef. Here we've got some cilantro. This is what the recipe is about, some eggs. You're going to need some tortilla shells, flour or corn. You're going to need a little bit of SPG. You're going to need some cumin. Here we've got some refried beans, and we've got cheese, some Monterey Jack, and some queso fresco. All right? Oh, and you're going to need a little olive oil. All right, let's put it together. This is no ordinary huevos rancheros. We're also using bacon. So fry up maybe a quarter pound of bacon, more or less. Or it depends how much bacon you like. Drain off the fat. We're going to save it, use it another time. And now we're going to fry up our ground beef. Doesn't take long. Oh, and then grab a little bit of that bacon fat, right? Add a little more flavor to that ground beef. Simple. All right. Bring back the cooked bacon to the pan. Get it in there. Take some pico de gallo or even salsa, whatever you got. Get it in there. Begin to cook it down. We got some seasoning, a little bit of SPG. Here we've got some cumin. All right. Again, cook it. Get all those flavors together. And then you're going to grate some cheese. And here we've got some Monterey Jack. Use your favorite cheese, preferably a milk cheese, like this queso fresco here, which just means fresh cheese, right? And we crumbled it up. And we'll put the cover on and let it melt down. All right, so a little bit of cilantro being, chopped up there. And now we're going to freshen up these tortilla shells. Like I said, you can use flour or corn, whatever. All right. Now, some of you don't know how to do a tortilla shell, so we're showing this. But most of you know, right? You just heat them up, warm it up like that. All right, perfect. Now the huevos, right? The eggs. Whoo! This is what it's all about. Fry up some eggs. I'm going to heat up some of that refried beans. Perfect. Now, you can leave them sunny side up, or you can flip them lightly. Pitmaster privilege. And now we're going to add it to the pan. Take a look at that. Oh. This is a breakfast, right? This will get you going. Maybe you're doing a brisket today, right? And this is a good way to start the day off on a long, low, and slow. So we'll put a little bit of that queso fresco on there, and we'll make it look real pretty with some cilantro. Oh, take a look at that. Oh, man. I say it's time to eat. Now head on over to our website to get the exact recipe and all the ingredients. I think might add a little bit of refried beans for a little bit of that starch, right? Goes well with that protein. Are you kidding me? Oh, look at that. So this is the part where the pitmaster is going to eat in front of you, and he's not apologizing, trust me. So again, to get the exact ingredients, head on over to our website, and while you're there, sign up a chapter. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.